experienced aviator now with over 8,000 hours of total flight time flying 50 different kinds of aircraft. He is one of the few of airshow performers any place in the world who also flies his displays at night and stands in as one of the top aerobatic performers in the Western Hemisphere. Tonight, under the cover of this darkening sky, he takes flight in a pyromatic display of more than 200 pounds of pyrotechnics, fireworks, special effects, and more than 4,000 individual LED lights attached to the wing of this 1956 de Havilland Super Chipmunk. So we're going to reach you now. Get your cameras not so ready, your eyes and minds as well, as we prepare.
Players, we're going to plan a 36. So, Nathan, just plan accordingly for your routine now to plan a 36 hack.
All copy. Narration complete. Ready anytime. All right, boss, sit back. Stand by. We'll come down.
Is it good if I stay? Yes.
Around the corner. Start the music.
Cameras at the ready as we welcome to tonight's show, Nathan Hammond and the Ghostwriter.
You there?
Copy, pyro.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Red line, boss, you gonna be good?
Red line is ready. You, just bring it to the tarmac. There you go.
So, boss, you gonna be good? We are good and armed. outside, 3 minutes to 9. All right. All right, pyro, hit it.